In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Slides to PDF. Turning a Google Slides deck into a PDF is a quick way to keep your formatting consistent, make sharing easier, and prepare files for printing or archiving. I'll walk you through the exact path so you can export confidently in just a few clicks, and I'll add a few helpful notes so you know what to expect. Start by opening Google Slides in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your Google account. Once the slide's home screen loads, you can begin a new deck by opening a blank presentation or picking a template that fits your purpose. Templates can be a time saver if you want a polished layout without starting from scratch. If you already have a presentation ready, you can also select it from your recent files so you're working with the exact version you want to export. With your presentation open, take a quick look through a few slides to make sure everything appears the way you want. PDFs preserve what you see on the canvas, so check for cropped images, misplaced text boxes, or slide elements that might sit too close to the edges. When you're satisfied, move to the top left of the screen and click File in the Slides menu bar. Be sure you're clicking the File menu inside Google Slides, not your browser's File menu. In the File menu, choose Download. This opens a list of available formats for exporting your presentation. From that list, click PDF Document, Pod PDF. Slides will immediately generate a PDF version of your deck, and your browser will start the download automatically. The file will save to your browser's default downloads location, which is usually the Downloads folder on your computer. If you don't see it right away, check your browser's download shelf or the downloads history. A few quick notes about the exported result. Each slide becomes its own PDF page, matching your slide size and orientation. Animations and transitions don't play in a PDF, so what you'll see is a static version of each slide. Hyperlinks you added to text or shapes typically remain clickable, which is great for sharing resources in digital copies. Speaker notes are not included with this quick export, so the PDF focuses purely on the slide visuals. The PDF usually adopts the same file name as your presentation, making it easy to recognize. That's all there is to it. You've converted your Google Slides presentation to a PDF, and it's ready to send, upload, or print with consistent locked-in formatting.